Hello all of you. This is the model answer paper for chapter number 4, Environmental Management. Question number 1. Name the following. The forest conserved in the name of God and considered to be sacred. The answer is the forest conserved in the name of God and considered to be sacred is called Devrai or sacred grove. Sub question 2. Which of the following is responsible for discoloration of Taj Mahal? Options are air pollution in Agra, Yamuna river pollution, repair of Taj Mahal, and all of the above. The correct answer is air pollution in Agra. Sub question 3. Make pairs. Answer is tiger, vulnerable species, and red panda, rare species. Question number 2. We need to conserve our nature. Answer is first point. For food to clothes and shelter, human beings depends on nature for everything. B point. Hence, it is the basic responsibility of human being to preserve nature and its balance. C point. It is said that we have got this planet Earth on lease from our future generations and not as an ancestral property. D point. Further deterioration of nature will be threat to human survival. Hence, we must conserve nature for ourselves and for our future generation. Sub question 2. Explain the statement. We have got this planet Earth on lease from our future generation and not as an ancestral property from our ancestors. Answer is A point. Human existence is totally impossible without the existence nature. B point. Human beings have destroyed nature by thus ruthlessly exploiting its resources for their own needs. C point. Population explosion, industrialization, and urbanization have led to many problems like climate change, energy crisis, pollution, decrease in resources, and extinction of species. D point. All these will have a serious effect on our future generation. They will face the consequences of our activities. E point. Our ancestors have left this beautiful place for us, and we have taken it for granted. It is our responsibility to preserve the nature and its balance for our future generation. F point. We should conserve the resources and should not pollute our earth. Hence, it is said that we have got this planet Earth on lease for our future generation and not as an ancestral property from our ancestors. Question number 3. What are the meaning of the following symbols? Write your role accordingly. Symbol A is recycle symbol. It is used on objects to indicate that they can be reduced and recycled. It will collect object with this sign such as Tetra packs and plastic bottles and give them to scrap dealers for recycling. I will use shoe boxes, used CDs, clothes, etc. to make new articles. Symbol B is save water symbol. It instructs us to save water. Water is a very precious resource. It is my duty to ensure that it is conserved and not wasted. I will use less water wherever possible. I will close taps and get leaking tap repair. I will use a bucket instead of a shower for bath. I won't throw water away, and I will reuse and use water for watering plants, cleaning, etc. Question number 4. Read the following paragraph and answer the question based on it. The paragraph is, paddy is cultivated on a large scale in various states of South India. Paddy fields are frequently attacked by grasshoppers. Similarly, frogs are also present in large number in the mud of paddy field. to feed upon grasshoppers, and snakes are also present there to feed upon their favorite food, frogs. Question 1. Name 3 states of India where paddy is cultivated on a large scale. Answer is paddy is cultivated on a large scale in Maharashtra, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Question B. At which tropic level are the grasshoppers in the above ecosystem? Answer is in the above ecosystem, the grasshoppers are at primary consumer level and at the second tropic level. See question. If the population of frogs decline all of a sudden, what will be the effect on paddy crop? Answer is the paddy crop yield will also decrease with the decrease in the population of frogs. When the population of frogs decline, the population of grasshoppers will increases and they will attack the paddy crop and destroy it. Question D. Number of which consumers will decline and which will increase if population of frogs decline all of a sudden? The answer is if the population of frogs suddenly declines, the population of grasshoppers will increase. As the frogs eating them have declined, the population of snakes will decrease as their food, that is frog, have become less. Question E. What will be the overall effect of sudden decline in frog population on the above ecosystem? In the ecosystem, there is perfect balance in the number of organisms at each level. The balance in the ecosystem will be disturbed when the number of members at any level changes. So, if there is sudden decline in the population of frogs, the population of grasshoppers will increase and the population of snakes will decrease. All this will have an adverse effect on the population of paddy. The increased number of grasshoppers will attack the crops. Since the population of snakes has decreased, rat and mice on which the snakes feed will increase. The rat and mice in turn will feed on the crops, destroy the crops, and the production of paddy will be affected. Thank you.